Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's transform these curly hairs into something like this. I start with the freshly washed hair. For a pre-styler, I am using baby oil by Johnson's & Johnson's. Massage with your fingertips into your scalp and apply all over your hairs. Now move to the blow drying. Power dry your hair with the full speed. Dry about 70 to 80% of your hairs. With the help of my fingertips, I make sure I go all over my head. Roughly scrunch your hair while blow drying. This step will actually add more volume into your hairstyle. Now with the help of my fingers, I'm trying to make a shape out of my hairs. Now I am shaping my hair using round white bristle brush. And make sure your hairs are completely dry from a tip to the end. This is how they look after a round brush. Now I move to the more fine round brush. This brush actually helps to smooth the hairs. Make sure you take smaller sections for more defined hairstyle. Blow drying your hair in different directions will end up having volume into your hairstyle. Keep brushing and blow drying your hair until you are satisfied. Now I'm using a blast of cold air to lock your hairs in a position. And make a curl using a round brush. This will add more height into the front section of your hairs. Now run your fingers through them and flip the curls back. Now smooth out your hair and make it into a final shape. And that's it, you are done. This is how it looks without using any extra hair products. I hope you like the way this hairstyle actually turned out. Thank you so much for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Khuda Hafiz, take care, see you in the next video.